In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fast track your marketing and teach you how to create thousands of mailers literally within just maybe an hour worth of your time. Hey there, my name's Kenneth Dusang. I'm a licensed real estate agent and I'm also a flipper. I flip and sell vacant lots to builders. We literally make anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 on every single flip. And we do it by sending something out called a blind offer. And we send out thousands of them every single week. And the way that we do it is by using a system called mail merge. And mail merge allows us to print thousands of marketing pieces literally within less than an hour and then get them sent out. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use mail merge, and I hope you enjoy it. Guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we are getting our vacant lot owners and vacant landowners, and we're creating a lot of marketing pieces in a very short amount of time and save. You're going to go over to ListSource. ListSource is a data company that we use to find our lists. Really good company to use. There's a lot of people that prefer PropStream, but most people that use PropStream only use it because they are referred to it by people that don't actually use it and get an affiliate fee for referring them over to it. Most of your gurus that actually do this actually use ListSource, and they just don't want to tell you that. So when you go over to ListSource, what we do is obviously we're going to pick a county. Obviously, you can do this business all over the country. Let's just go ahead and do Florida. We've actually made a lot of money out here in Florida doing this in Duval County. Where's Duval? There you are. And then next, you're going to go over here to property, and we're going to go to property type. And we're just going to choose vacant land. And then we're going to go here to options. Don't worry about it being absentee owned or not. Obviously, it's vacant land, so it's already going to be absentee owned. And you're going to purchase your list. There is a ListSource hack where you can actually get these leads for only 3 cents per record. Without the hack, it's a lot of money. If you want to learn how to use the hack, definitely message me on Instagram. My handle is Virtual Wholesaling Ninjas, and I'll help you with finding out how to use that hack. So there are some other filters that I use, but for the most part, this is it. If you want to learn what those other filters are, I teach them in my training. Go over to Instagram and send me a DM. So the next thing what we're going to do is once you purchase your list from ListSource, what happens is you're going to get an Excel file. And in that Excel file is going to have a ton of data on it. And there's a way you're going to want to clean up your data, and there's only a few things you're going to want to leave on it. So don't worry about reference numbers. I used to use them. I don't use them anymore. They're useless. You're going to want the owner's name, the owner's mailing address, mailing city, mailing state, mailing zip code. This is where the owner of the vacant land lives. This is important because this is where we're going to be sending our blind offers and our marketing pieces. The next, you're going to want to have the property address, the property, pretty much the property's address. So all of the information about the property and where it's at. The next thing, don't worry about last market sell date. I just like having that on there. And the property type, you can put that on there if you want. It doesn't really matter. I just keep it on there for just really no purpose. And what's important is to keep the lot acreage. So these are the filters I use and the columns that I keep. Make sure that this is what you keep. I would go ahead and just delete all the other data on your Excel sheet. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go over here to your contract or whatever piece you're using. And the way this works is on my agreement, I have the mailing address, lot size. You're going to have a little message. You can make your message whatever you want, but just make sure you let them know what's going on. And you're going to have your contact information here. And to start your marketing, what you're going to do is go right here to start mail merge. We're going to choose letters. We're going to go here to select recipients. We're going to use an existing list. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to your downloads, and you're going to find that list that you bought from ListSource and that you have already cleaned up, and you're going to insert it into here. Next is you're going to go here to insert merge fields, and here are the two. We're going to make it to the owner's name, and I'm just going to hide this information. Obviously, if you click this, it changes it back and forth so you can see what you're doing. The mailing address, you're going to put the mailing address, the mailing city, mailing state, and zip code. And then right here on lot size, this is important because you want to know how many acres there are. And I think this one here is, all right, so there's 10 acres. This is the mailing address and the owner's information. So the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to come down here to your contract, and you're going to pretty much do the same thing on the contract. Just fill the contract out. Just put the property's address, leave this blank, and then once you're done, you're going to go right over here to finish mail merge. Click that, and then it'll prompt you on another screen. Just press OK, and then it takes about 5 minutes. It's going to make an individual letter for every single person right here on your Excel list. So on this list right here, I have a little over 1,000 people on this list. And what will happen is it'll make an individual letter for each person on your list here. And then once you get the list done, you're going to print your letters. It takes about an hour to print all of your letters. And now you're going to have thousands of letters you're going to send out. Having the mailing address here makes it easy for you to label it on your envelopes and then go from there. You can actually go into mail merge and you can create custom envelopes yourself here to make it even faster. I'm not really going to go over that. It's pretty much the same process. So if you want to do this, feel free. Please like this video, share it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to have a lot of different videos coming up. And if you want one-on-one training with me, please message me on Instagram and go to my Facebook group, Virtual Wholesaling Ninjas. And you can also go to my other group that's dedicated to land flipping, which is Land Ninja Academy. I'm going to have all of my links in the description and in a pinned comment. So hope you enjoyed this, and I hope it helps you out.